Bingo. This is what I'm looking for. I am looking for kale. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Just Cook DC. Compa. Get some wine. We're gonna be drinking. Why not? So, but there's something about you enjoying wine in your house, and you go out to a restaurant and you order, oh, give me your Shiraz, or give me your red Zinfandel, give me your Cabernet, and they bring it out and it looks like that. And I'm sitting there going, that is not enough. But I'm at home and pour this thing up to about here. Anyway, for another day, Friday night cocktails. So, there is this appetizer dish that I absolutely love. I don't know if I can mention the name, but anyway, I go to this Indian restaurant and they do this appetizer, and it's kale. It's not collards, it's kale, and they deep fry it. Goat cheese or feta cheese, and that's all that comes with it. It's like a crispy deep fried kale appetizer. Comes in a bowl with goat cheese or feta cheese on it, whatever you want. And I am gonna try this dish at home. Why? Because I love it. Number one. Two, Just Cook DC. We try stuff. Alright, so get yourself a bunch of kale. I got some feta. And I got some goat cheese, wine for me. I got my apron. Yeah, so work things, you come home, you gotta cook, so let's change it. We're gonna change into a little apron here and we're gonna figure this out. But it's gonna splutter. Deep frying kale or collard greens or salad or whatever it is, it's just gonna splutter. So make sure, for the guys who are gonna try this in your natural suit, put on an apron. Get one from me, whatever. I'll send you one for free if you want to. But yeah. So deep fried, it's gonna be quick. You'll see it. You'll be here with me. Thank you so much. Alright folks, so like I said, this is gonna splutter. Get yourself a nice apron like mine. Alright, let's figure this out. Alright, first things first, we are going to take our grains and cut off the solids. We don't want the solids. Go like that. Go like that. Folks, this is an appetizer. That's all I need. It's gonna be like a little small bundle of joy. You don't have the whole thing. Yeah, do that for your stews and stuff. This. Bundle of joy. Gonna give this guys a rough chop. Just a rough chop. Just like that. Just, you don't have to be fancy. That's it. Alright. We have chopped our kale. Get your wok. Let's get light going here. High heat, oil, deep fried. Go for it. I'm using canola, vegetable canola, corn. There is a nuance to using the different ones. I'm using canola because I had canola, so makes no difference to me. All right. All right, folks, we are going to go hard on this. Remember, it is gonna splatter. Check this out. Bingo. But good food is messy. All right, here we go. In my experience, this is quick and done. Oh yeah. Oh my lord. This is done. Like 2 seconds. But we're trying to get this crispy. So we're gonna cook it. This has been not edited. This is exactly how long it's been. So when you see this video, this is exactly how long it's been. Alright. We are gonna take this out now. And folks, we have kale. Get yourself a bowl ready. Woo, they're crackly. There is my kale. All right, let's put some goat cheese while it's nice and hot. Let's try this. It is Feta goat cheese, and that's all we're doing. All right, let's try this. All right, first things first. I'm gonna try to get just crunchy kale. I got something on there. All right. Let's try with the feta. That's good. Tangy. Feta hits you on this little, you know those taste buds you have on this side? That's what hits you. Goat cheese. Creamy. Goat cheese is the winner. I will do this with goat cheese. This is absolutely. Check it out. Nice and crispy. If you ever wanna wow people, get some kale, deep fry it. If you've seen that thing took less than 1 minute to do, sprinkle goat cheese and feta on one side as an appetizer. Deep fried kale is our thing. Crunchy. Hear that? Thank you for spending time with me. Remember, this recipe is gonna splatter on you. For anybody out there who's cooking my dishes without any clothes on, very soon we're gonna hit you with an apron.